In case you're just joining us, you're watching live coverage on NASA TV and Ustream of NASA's Low-Density Supersonic Decelerator project. It's taking place right now at the U.S. Navy's Pacific Missile Range facility in Kauai, Hawaii. We're standing by live right now, waiting. So we will keep an ear on the VOCA to make sure we don't miss the moment. Meantime, Dan, go ahead and tell me a little bit about the balloon. How big is it? What's it made of? What is this?
Yeah, so this is a really interesting balloon that we're using this test. It doesn't look that big now, but like we saw a little bit earlier in one of the videos, as it gets higher and higher in the atmosphere, it expands to a bigger and bigger size. And then at its maximum, it's as big as a football stadium, like the Rose Bowl here in Pasadena. So it's really an enormous balloon. What's also a little bit surprising is that the material is extremely thin. It's the same sort of material that is your plastic grocery bags are made out of. So it's a very, very thin kind of plastic material.
Stand by. This is JPL. Balloon spool release is imminent.
Sounds like they're almost there.
Right. You hopefully heard that balloon.
We're hearing from the team right now that release is imminent, so we are going to stand by and be quiet.
Balloon is released from the spool. All stations, check step 86 and 87.
Back. Thank you. Yay. Well, apparently there's something. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. They're perfect. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I see it.
No, that's it. The power.
What they say?
So they flip the power flips down.
Yeah, that's
The power. Come on, baby.
Now they're just waiting for this. There it goes. There it goes.
It's going to be perfect.
There it goes. Yeah.
Balloon is launched. Balloon is launched. All stations, balloon launch time 17:45:33. I repeat, launch time 17:45:33. Alright, team, that looked pretty good. Need launch. Please go ahead and start looking at your telemetry, make sure all systems are healthy. We'll come around and do a poll here in 10 minutes or so. Give it time to relax.
seen, the balloon was released at 43 minutes past the hour. And as we've just seen, the balloon was released at 43 minutes past the hour, and 2 minutes later, the vehicle took off. Dan, explain what we're seeing right now.
Sure. So we're watching the test capsule rise higher and higher in the air below the balloon. Looks like the launch went beautifully. The balloon launched, sort of paid out the cable below it until it got directly above that capsule. And then you saw the launch tower quickly move out of the way, allowing the capsule to cleanly move upward and start to ascend underneath the balloon. So at this point, the team on the ground is checking the health of the vehicle, making sure that all its systems are healthy and looking good, and just making sure that we're on track.
So right now, that